welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing another Doki Doki crate, and I believe this one is for September 2021. I am packing my things to move, and this arrived, so I figured I'd just do a quick little unboxing. I don't actually know what the theme of this box is, so let me check. Alright, so this is the brochure. Let's see. The theme is academia, I think. Yes. Alright, so I guess it's school related stuff, so let's take a look. So the first thing in here is this cute little hand towel with a little kitty cat on it. Now, I thought that these were being given as washcloths to wash your face with. I only just realized that this is a hand towel for washing your hands before you eat. That is something that I've noticed happens at a lot of Japanese restaurants, and you can keep your hands very clean with just having your own towel. The little embroidery is super cute. And he's a little calico kitty. This wasn't wrapped in anything, so there's no brand or anything, so I'm not sure what brand it is, but it is very cute. It's nice and soft, and I'm definitely going to get some use out of it. Here's the next item in the box. Let's open her up. This is a Sumiko Garashi canvas tote bag. With a lot of places eliminating once-use plastic or shopping bags, these are super handy. The one that came in the crate last time was a plastic kind of material. This one's a nice canvas. I like these because if these get dirty, you can just throw them in the washing machine, and then they're nice and clean. So that's very cute. The next item in the box is from Pokemon, or Pocket Monsters as it's known in Japan. Pokemon in the US. This looks like it's just a pouch, so let's take it out of the plastic. Alright, so yep, it's just a regular zipper pouch, and honestly, it has all of my favorite Pokemon on it. So, that's so funny, by chance. I really like if you ever played Pokemon Stadium on the Nintendo 64, and there was the Petite Cup, it was always these kind of Pokemon, the cute tiny ones. And, literally, these are all my favorite. They're all pink, and the pouch is really cute. It's a faux leather. There's the Pokemon names, Mew. They're all in Japanese, so I don't know what all of them are, but visually, I know these are all my favorites, just not their Japanese names. But that's super cute. I was actually looking for another pouch to keep stuff in, so this actually helps me a lot. Next up is a bookmark. A bookmark with sticky notes on it. That's cute. It looks like you can use the bookmark for your pages, and then you can use the sticky notes to highlight different parts of the book that you want to pay attention to or come back to later. And the little designs look like little spoons, eucalyptus leaves, and flowers. I will definitely use this. I am always got my face in a book. Here's the last thing. It looks like a brush holder phone stand? Okay. Let's open it up. It looks like I was correct. This is a pen holder and a phone holder. Under the phone holder there's a little storage spot, and then this can be taken out and you can have a bigger pen cup. But yeah, that's super cute. I will definitely use that. I can always use more organization. So to recap, we have the little pen holder, got our bookmark, a tote bag, Pokemon pouch, and a hand cloth. So altogether, I think these are pretty decent items. I really like this. I really like useful, cute things. It'll look really cute with my clock. I have a couple other Sumiko Garashi things that'll match. Seems like this is a common, a commonly promoted character with the Doki Doki crates recently. But yeah, I hope you liked everything I showed you, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back to you guys more when I'm in my new house. Alrighty, see you later.